guess so.
That's what I was trying to do, but I think I'm gonna get.
It's just a cool picture.
Yeah, just do it.
See, that's what I was thinking, because
Yeah.
I'm short, so I was feeling like...
I was thinking like static established ones and then go.
Okay.
But I think
It's harder than you want, but okay.
For me, I think that's...
Well, because at first I was doing my right foot out and
Which
cranking.
looks good.
But yeah, I don't know because that's pretty hard. What do you think about the feet?
Yeah, what do you think about the feet?
Just that's a smear and a fucking high right foot. We got you on the spot.
Where are the feet?
You got, yeah, you
High
got
feet.
a high
Yeah, I
foot,
think it's
yeah.
high
Who
feet.
set this?
Who's the setter? I need to talk.
Is it
I'll talk
James?
to them. I need to talk. I just gotta talk. So.
I just want to talk to him.
Yeah, it looks like it's about high.
Yeah. That's the way I just got scary feet, but
Yeah, I thought smear high foot, smear high foot. And just go for it. Big foot on three.
definitely gets easier and easier.
Your white shirt.
God, Ari would be
Your white
so
shirt is
mad
like
if I was here spotting you and you got
trying to
hurt.
move it.
I'm more worried about Ari being mad. You getting hurt.
Okay, yeah, it gets